Welcome aspiring authors and self-publishers. In today's video, we will explore the top 5 niches for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, in 2023. If you're looking to publish and monetize your books, these niches offer immense potential for success. So, let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is the self-help and personal development niche. With a growing audience seeking personal growth and improvement, self-help books continue to be highly sought after. By publishing books on topics like mindfulness, productivity, and success principles, you can tap into a dedicated market and establish yourself as an authority figure in the niche. Self-help books often command higher prices, and with a well-targeted marketing strategy, you can earn several $1,000s per month. Next up, we have the romance and relationships niche. Romance novels constantly rank among the top seller genres on Amazon. By crafting compelling stories of love, passion, and emotional connections, you can capture the hearts of romance enthusiasts and build a loyal readership. Romance authors have the potential to earn substantial royalties, with some achieving 5 or 6 figures in annual income. The third niche that holds a great potential is the mystery and suspense niche. Readers are always drawn to thrilling stories filled with suspense, unexpected twists, and clever detective work. By creating compelling mysteries or gripping thrillers, you can captivate readers and keep them eagerly turning the pages. Successful authors in this niche can earn a significant income, with the potential for movie or series adaptations further boosting their earnings. Moving on, we have the fantasy and science fiction genre. This niche allows for boundless creativity and imaginative storytelling. By creating captivating worlds, epic adventures, and intriguing characters, you can transport readers to extraordinary realms and leave them craving more. The fantasy and science fiction market offers tremendous potential for authors to build long-term success, with some authors achieving 6-figure incomes or more. Last but not least, we have the children's book niche. Parents and educators are constantly searching for engaging and educational content for young readers. By creating beautifully illustrated children's books that entertain, educate, and inspire, you can leave a lasting impact on young minds and nurture a lifelong love of reading. While the earning potential varies, successful children's book authors can generate substantial royalties, especially if their books resonate with a wide audience. And there you have it, fellow authors and self-publishers. Our top 5 niches for Amazon KDP in 2023. Remember, success in self-publishing relies on thorough market research, understanding your target audience, and delivering high-quality content. Stay persistent, build your author brand, and watch your book sales soar.